In this video, you will learn how to properly back up your PigCHAMP database, as well as learn when to use the restore function. The administrator and any user in which the system administrator assigns backup and restore privileges to can use the tool. The backup process is a one-step method of creating a copy of your database to be used in case of emergency. Backing up the PigCHAMP database is a simple process that will back up every farm registered within the PigCHAMP program. We highly suggest creating a backup file at the end of each data entry week. Prior to backing up the database, close out of the PigCHAMP program. When the PigCHAMP program was installed on your computer, an external application called the Backup and Restore utility was created. To access the program, click on the Start button on your computer's taskbar. Next, click on All Programs. Then, highlight the PigCHAMP folder. Yours may say PigCHAMP, PigCHAMP Care, PigCHAMP Grow Finish, or something similar. Select Backup and Restore Utility from the pop-up menu. When the window appears, enter your PigCHAMP username and password. Remember, only the system administrator and those with backup and restore privileges can use this. In the top section of the screen, you'll see basic information about the SQL database that will be backed up. The middle refers to the backup process and lists when the previous backup was taken. It also provides the option to shrink the log files for the database before backing up. It's recommended to leave this box checked, as it results in a smaller backup file. To back up the database, simply click on the Backup button. A Save As screen will appear. Specify where to save the backup file. You can choose to leave the file name as is or rename it. Once you click Save, the backup process will begin automatically. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of the database. A large operation with thousands of animals at multiple locations will take longer than a single site operation with only a few hundred animals. Once finished, a pop-up screen will appear indicating a successful backup process. Click OK on the confirmation message. You can now close out of the Backup and Restore utility. If you now wish to save the file to a flash drive or other device, you can copy the file from the original location and write it to that device. The bottom section of the Backup and Restore utility contains the Restore tool. In extremely rare cases, you may be asked by a PigCHAMP technician to restore your data. The restore process should be done under the direction of this technician. Restoring the data on your own will result in a loss of all data entered since your last backup. Do not attempt to restore the database on your own. Further instructions can be found in the program help files by pressing the F1 key on your keyboard. For specific questions, feel free to contact us via phone or email as listed. We appreciate you viewing this introductory video. Thank you for choosing PigCHAMP.